Morning, this is Aurora with superchargedscience.com, homeschool science curriculum, hands-on education for K through 12. This is day, I don't even know, it's like day 9, I think, of our across the country science, hands-on science adventure with my family. And look where I got to wake up today. We are in Bryce Canyon. So what's really cool about the science adventure is we've been finding all kinds of interesting things. So along our routes we were in Wyoming when we found fluorescent rocks. Last night on the way to the bathrooms, I found fluorescing worms. So I have a picture of that I will be posting as well. So it's been super fun to share with my family. Here, let me show you some of the rock formations that you can see in Bryce Canyon. You see those? They're just absolutely stunning. And what's really interesting is before you get into the park, none of it looks like this at all. Like, none of it. Kind of looks like a Nevada. In fact, it's very plain and there's no hills and it's all sagebrush. So that's been really interesting. So I have been going, I think I've only had 3 showers in the past about week and a half, no makeup. It's been very raw, very real. I think I've only had like 5 lattes. I've been trying to catch those as I go along. But today we're going to be taking hikes up through Bryce, and so I will be sending you information on that. And it sounds like the camp is starting to wake up. I hear generators that are firing up. The RV loop is over there. And we were over in the tent camping site over here. So again, this is Aurora with Supercharged Science. We're going to take some hikes today through Bryce Canyon. Oh, and it sounds like the highway is booting up too here. And so I'm going to go make breakfast, and then we will be on our way. I will see you soon. Take care.